What if I told you there's a place in space where time doesn't exist, or that entire stars vanish into nothingness without a trace? These aren't just sci-fi fantasies, they're happening right now, right above our heads. From planets that rain molten glass sideways at 5,000 miles per hour, to black holes that could swallow our entire solar system in the blink of an eye. Space is way more terrifying than you could ever imagine. In this video, we're diving into 10 space facts so terrifying you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. Let's start with one of the most terrifying concepts in space: the event horizon of a black hole. This is the ultimate boundary, the point where reality breaks down. Once you cross it, not even light can escape, and anything that gets too close is stretched into oblivion. But black holes don't just sit still. They consume everything in their path. Entire stars, planets, and even light itself vanish without a trace. But if you think that's frightening, it's nothing compared to the wandering monsters we can't even see. Like rogue planets. These homeless worlds are thrown out of their star systems, left to drift alone through the cold darkness of space. Imagine a planet like Earth, but with no sun to orbit, completely shrouded in darkness and cold beyond comprehension. Scientists believe there are billions of these wandering planets, invisible and unpredictable. One could be passing through our solar system right now, unseen, and we'd have no way to stop it. But while rogue planets drift in isolation, some planets stay dangerously close to their stars. And what happens there is even more terrifying. Take 55 Cancri E, for example, a planet that orbits so close to its star that its surface reaches temperatures of over 4,400 degrees Fahrenheit. On top of that, scientists believe its core is made almost entirely of diamond. Yes, a planet-sized diamond, but one that no human could ever reach. The atmosphere is filled with molten glass storms, and the heat would incinerate anything that got too close. Still, it's hard not to imagine what could be beneath that molten surface. But while 55 Cancri E is a fiery world, space also has explosive dangers on a much larger scale. Like supernovae. When a massive star dies, it doesn't go quietly. It explodes in a spectacular supernova, an explosion so bright it can outshine entire galaxies. These stellar detonations are powerful enough to create black holes or neutron stars, and release more energy in a single moment than our sun will produce over billions of years. If a supernova happened close enough to Earth, it could wipe out our atmosphere in seconds. Fortunately, we're safe. For now. But there's another force that's pulling our entire galaxy toward it, and no one knows exactly what it is, called the Great Attractor. This mysterious force is dragging the Milky Way, along with thousands of other galaxies, toward it at unimaginable speeds. The scary part, we don't know what it is. Some scientists think it could be a supermassive black hole, while others believe it's something even stranger, a massive cluster of galaxies hidden beyond our view. But whatever it is, it's pulling our entire galaxy closer every day. And while our galaxy moves through space, not everything in the universe follows the same path. Because hypervelocity stars are speeding across the universe like bullets. These stars move at more than 1.5 million miles per hour, often after being flung out of galaxies by black holes or other powerful forces. If one of these stars were to pass through our solar system, it could wreak havoc, pulling planets out of orbit and disrupting everything in its path. Fortunately, hypervelocity stars are rare, but they're still out there, hurtling through the void at unimaginable speeds. But speed isn't the only thing to fear in space. Sometimes it's the invisible forces that are the most dangerous, like gamma ray bursts. These are the most powerful explosions in the universe, releasing more energy in a few seconds than our sun will in its entire lifetime. A gamma ray burst aimed at Earth would instantly strip away our atmosphere and annihilate all life. Thankfully, these cosmic death rays are rare and usually occur far away. But in a universe this vast, rare doesn't always mean safe. And speaking of extremes, let's move from the hottest events in space to the coldest. Like the Boomerang Nebula, it's the coldest place in the universe, with temperatures nearing absolute zero, just 1 degree above it to be exact. Here, even atoms slow down almost to a stop. If you found yourself in this frozen nebula, you'd freeze instantly. Space might seem like an endless void, but even in that emptiness, there are places so cold that not even the vacuum of space compares. But while some places are freezing cold, others are just empty, like the Eridanus supervoid. It's a region in space that spans over 1 billion light years, and there's almost nothing there. No galaxies, no stars. Just an enormous empty void. Scientists aren't sure why this vast region of space is so empty. Some theories suggest it could be evidence of a parallel universe, or something even stranger. It's one of the greatest mysteries in the cosmos, a place where the very fabric of space seems wrong. And while the Eridanus supervoid is empty now, in the far, far future, all of space could end up just as dark and cold. Thanks to black dwarfs. Right now, stars are burning brightly throughout the universe, but in the distant future, all of them will eventually burn out. What will remain are cold, dark remnants known as black dwarfs. In trillions of years, the universe will be a silent, lifeless place, filled only with these dead stars. It's a chilling reminder that nothing lasts forever, not even the light from the stars we see today. And as we look up at the night sky, it's hard to imagine a time when everything we know will have faded into darkness. So there you have it. Space is vast, mysterious, and full of terrifying forces that could end life as we know it. If these facts blew your mind, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because who knows what other cosmic horrors we'll uncover next.